Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about how you can walk and earn Bitcoin. Yeah, walk and earn Bitcoin, as in the biggest cryptocurrency in the world. I know it sounds crazy, but it's not clickbait. Keep watching until the end so you understand how and why, and how you can sign up and how you can start as well. Trust me, it's not BS. I care about you guys and I wouldn't put you onto something that wasn't real. Let's get into the video. If you're new here, hi.
Hello there.
My name is Gajaan, and on this channel we'll talk about personal finance, entrepreneurship, how to make money online, and just other things about the financial world. I'm only 18 and I'm learning as well, and I'm sharing as I grow, and I think that's the best way to do it. If you want to join my journey and get rich with me, then subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and you're going to join the journey. Nice to meet you. So because you clicked on this video, I'm going to assume that you know what Bitcoin is. If you don't know what it is, then make sure you go do your research about what Bitcoin actually is before you watch this video. But yeah, I mean, in this video we're going to be talking about the platform/app that's going to allow us to exchange our walking steps into a currency that we can then exchange into Bitcoin. And the platform/app that allows us to do that is Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is what we're going to talk about today. How you can get started with it, what the app is about, what their vision is, we're gonna answer all the questions about Sweatcoin basically. And yeah, I mean, this video is gonna be primarily about Sweatcoin and how they're gonna be enabling us to change their currency into Bitcoin. So yeah. So what is Sweatcoin? I've been rambling on about the Sweatcoin thing, but I'm not telling you guys what it is. So now I'm gonna do that. Sweatcoin is an app that works in the background of your phone, and it tracks the steps that you take during the day. And then using those steps, it converts them into a currency called Sweatcoin, which you can then use to buy products or services on their app, or you can donate to charities, and in the future convert to Bitcoins, which is what we're going to talk about right now. So the reason that they created this app is to make the planet healthier. And if you're confused like how is this going to make the planet healthier, well, people tend to perform based on rewards, and by making a system where you get paid technically for walking, which is something that's active and it can help you lose calories, people are more incentivized to actually go out and walk and earn this currency to spend on products. That's really it, really. And they actually have seen results in health levels increasing, which I'll talk about in a bit as well. So it's a pretty cool concept. And the crazy thing is, it's not a new app. I've had this app for ages, and a lot of people around the whole world have this app as well. It's #1 in the many app stores across the world. And let me show you guys how many steps it's converting in real time right now. It's in the quadrillions, by the way. Check this out. Sweatcoin's long-term goal is not only to make everyone healthier, but it's also to become a universally accepted payment method, which I think is pretty cool because they're a business model that are helping the world and also helping themselves, which is a win-win situation. So you might be wondering how Sweatcoins get their value. So Sweatcoin get their value from 3 places. The first place being health-conscious audiences, second place being insurers that want people to have healthier lifestyles, and then the third place being governments that want to reduce their healthcare costs. To give you an example of one of these, Sweatcoin works with the NHS. If you're not from the UK and you don't know what the NHS is, it's a national healthcare system in the UK which provides free healthcare for the whole for all British citizens basically. So let's delve into the app and I'll show you guys what the app is really about and how the app works on the inside, and where the buying part of the app is, where the exchange part is, where the bidding part is, where the donating to charity part is. I'll show you guys all of that once they get into the app. Let's hop into it. Alright, so this is the app. So this is how many steps I've walked today, which is quite a lot actually, and that's my balance in the top right corner, 3,937. It's because I've had this app running in the background for quite a long time, so that's why. So yeah, I mean, this is the challenges section where you can race to get a certain amount of steps with loads of other people. This just incentivizes people to walk more, and I mean, it's quite a genius idea if you think about it. This is my total steps converted, it's my profile section. And you can see I've been a member since 2017, not knowing that it was going to be like this today, but I just downloaded it when someone said you can earn money while walking, and this is where we are right now. This is a shop where you can buy things with the Sweatcoin. So as you can see, I can afford all those things right now 10 times over. And yeah, I mean, some of the things are cool, some of them are a bit but look at that Apple AirTag. I couldn't afford that, but I would have definitely got that. There's auctions, exchanges, but yeah, I mean, and the app is just set up so nicely as well. Like, whoever like did the front end and the back end for this is a genius. So this is a section where you can donate to charities, and I think it's so cool that you can actually donate from making yourself healthier. You're helping other people, and you're also making yourself healthier. You can also bid for like a high value item such as massive speakers, shopping hauls, whatever. And this is the exchange section. This is the section that we're going to talk a bit more in detail about, because this is what you're here for. So this is the part where you can exchange Bitcoin to Sweatcoin. BTC stands for Bitcoin and SWC stands for Sweatcoin. I'm currently 9,446 in the waiting list. Yes, there is a waiting list. Once you download it and sign up, you're going to be able to join the waiting list as well. And by referring it to your friends and family using your link, you can get bumped up the waiting list. And yeah, I mean, that's how it works in the app. We're going to be able to hop into Bitcoin by walking. It's kind of crazy when you think about it. Okay, so now that you've seen the exchange section on Sweatcoin, let's talk a little bit about the future going forward and what you can do. The feature, as you can see, isn't available yet, but it will be available very, very soon. You just got to be patient.
Sometimes patience is the key to victory.
And with these things, usually you have to sacrifice time to earn a reward. But with this, which I find very interesting, is that you don't actually have to sacrifice time, because walking is something that you guys do naturally and you will do anyway. So this is just going to be an app running in the background of your phone, basically mining you Sweatcoin, and then you're going to be able to turn it into Bitcoin out at a later point in time, which I don't think you guys should be complaining about. I don't know if that's just me, but you're going to be walking anyway, so just download the app, keep it in the background of your phone, and you'll thank me later. Trust me, you will thank me later. Just so you guys know, I do have a link in my description, so you guys can sign up using that link. It will bump me up in the waiting list, and I don't see anything wrong with that. And also, I'm not forcing you guys to download this app and start walking to earn this money. It's up to you guys. Just think about it. In the future, if Bitcoin's worth multiple six figures and 1,000 Sweatcoins is worth even 0.01 Bitcoin or something like that, you're going to be making bank just by walking. And when you think about it logically, all you're doing is walking, and you're bettering your own lifestyle, and you're going to be making money by the end of it. So I don't see where you can go wrong with that. But then again, I'm not forcing you guys to download the app or try it out. It's all up to you. Take what you want from this information, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and also check out my other social media platforms as well. Thank you so much for watching.